In this first clip, we see a pickup truck nearly pull out in front of another vehicle while making a right-hand turn on a red. The truck would have been at fault, but the driver of the oncoming vehicle was also a little impatient and pulled out from behind stopped traffic in the left lane and passed on the right and put himself in that situation. The driver of this pickup truck was clearly in the right turn lane, but I'm guessing he changed his mind and decided to turn left instead. At least he used his turn signal.
What the hell was that? You're in the wrong lane, dummy.
As I've made it clear in previous videos, rolling stops are not stops. Here we have two vehicles that slow down but don't come to a complete stop before proceeding. I've seen worse examples of this, and the next clip will show that.
Stop. Nice stop. Jeez.
I had my indicator light on to make a left-hand turn at this light, but my defensive driving saved me. Had I assumed this oncoming vehicle with their turn signal on was actually going to turn,
Signal's on, dipshit.
this could have been messy.
Jesus.
And let's finish off with plenty of the usual selfish and dangerous red light runners and yellow light racers.
It's a very critical spot. You know, you've got two RGs and you've got the gum line
Wow.
which comes below. And it's great because
What an idiot.
The dentist, which, you know, if you were dying, the caller will get an urn to be buried in. You know it's got to be.
Jesus.
Join us for our next listener. Show us what she's been working on. I'm excited to hear what it is. Also, yeah, she's got a new album coming out called
Okay. I mean, it's not like you didn't have time to stop. Oh, there's a red light. Not even close. Holy cow, I wasn't even close. Dominoes.